Hello everyone, it's Drishti Tandaria, Faculty of English at MKGC. Today I will be telling you everything and the highlights regarding the quarterly report day which was held on 28th of May 2022. Our session commenced on 8th of March 2022 and each and every member of Team MKGC worked very well to give the outcome of QRD in a very positive and enhanced manner. Our MD, Dr. M.K. Jain sir, was so dedicated to give the children the environment that was so spacious and light that they came out with the different fine colors. Children efforts were really appreciated by our honorable chief guest, that was our MD, Dr. M.K. Jain sir, Director ma'am, Mrs. Renu Jain ma'am, HODs, Dr. N.S. Jain sir and P. Jain sir. Each and every child is unique and special methodology was taken care of and laid stress upon. For this, the commencement of the ceremony was done by seeking the blessings from Ma Saraswati ji, and the lighting of the lamp was done by our honorable chief guest, followed by the beautiful and sacred shlokas sung by the Guruji in his melodious voice. After that, first performance was of class 9 students on Itni Shakti Hame Dena Data. Children were too good in singing that the parents, they really mesmerized the parents on a true note. performance, the QRD, was elaborated by our CH, Miss Pooja Bhavsar ma'am. She included each and everything which had happened in or around the walls, staunch walls of MKGC. Class 8 really cherished on a beautiful song sung on We Shall Overcome. Students were as the choir of expert singers. Parents as well as guests appreciated them a lot and gave them a huge pile of acknowledgements. Children indeed does the things in a better way. His or her efforts are appreciated. Here, we try to keep semblance among all the students of MKGC. At MKGC, each and every child is measured in the terms of uniqueness, and then their value are kept in the mind, and then the special treatment to not only the toppers in academics are given, but overall assessment technique, all-rounder assessment technique is being valued over here. For that, each and every student of MKGC were felicitated by our honorable chief guest under many categories. Then came the turn of third performance by a student of class 6 and 7 on Bacche Man Ke Sache. They are the forms of God, and indeed they proved it that they are the deity of truthfulness and showed it in their voice. Then came the shower of our most diligent and honorable Dr. Dr. M.K. Jain Sir's golden words. He addressed each one of us present there by keeping transparency as his first and foremost priority. He always said that what he actually did. His words did match his work as well as his identity. He spoke that he is emerging victorious in all the meadows and all the fields by keeping the policy that is transforming all the zeros, if any, into the heroes and all the heroes of MKGC into the superheroes. His enthusiastic words really inspired each and everyone present over there. After all, MKGC strive for excellence. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, this patriotic feeling was inculcated by the student of class 10th in the singing form, and they gave an outstanding performance. Final certificate distribution from class 9 to 12 was done in the latter part. All the chief guests felicitated the children, and children do got motivated by this, and they were more inspired, more prepared and more ready to give their best after coming from the vacations on a more competitive and zeal mode on. Dance was the center of attraction. The girls of class 9 steal the show. They danced Kathak form so well in spite of their practice sessions was of very less duration. They really come out to be very superb and followed each and every step of dance very minutely and perfectly.
आदरणीय मैनेजमेंट एंड सुधी श्रोतागण, मेरा इन बच्चों के साथ बहुत छोटा समय निकला है और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इन बच्चों ने छोटे समय में मेरे को इतना सहयोग दिया। ये बच्चे भी बहुत अपना पढ़ाई को करते हुए जो भी इन्होंने सीखा इनकी अच्छाई आप साथ में ले जाएं और जो भी कमी है वो मेरी समझ के माफ़ कर दें। थैंक यू। टिक टिक ता टिक टिक तत तत तुम टिक ता टिक तत तत तुम टिक ता टिक तत तत तुम टिक ता टिक ता टिक ता
Then the sixth performance by every student of MKGC. Every feather in the cap of MKGC took place on the song Agar Chal Sako To. And yes, they were marvelous. Then last but not the least performance by the teachers took place. The teachers of MKGC being a very well educators when given the chance to inspire our students, prove them to be a rock star. They did a splendid work by singing on the very motivational mashup. To conclude the program, our MD Dr. M.K. Jain sir thanked each and every member of Team MKGC present over there, on which he thanked each and every team members of MKGC, from parents to HODs, from children to teaching as well as non-teaching staff members also. Thanking you, MKGC reports.